If you're a homeowner in North Carolina, there's something important happening right now that most people don't realize. Insurance companies are inspecting roofs without ever stepping on the property. They're using drones and aerial imagery, and homeowners are being forced into repairs, roof replacements, or even losing coverage because of what those images show. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what insurers are doing, what they're looking for, why homeowners are getting caught off guard, and what you can do to protect yourself before it becomes a problem. Insurance companies are under more pressure than they've ever been before. Storm frequency is up, claim costs are higher, roofing materials and labor cost more than they did just a few years ago. To reduce risk, insurers are changing how they evaluate homes. Instead of waiting for a claim or sending someone out in person, many companies are now using drone and satellite imagery to review roofs remotely, often before renewal. This isn't just about storm damage anymore, it's about risk assessment. And here's the key thing homeowners need to understand. Insurers are no longer asking, is the roof leaking? They're asking, does this roof look like a future problem? When insurance companies look at roofs from above, they're not evaluating craftsmanship or interior performance. They're looking for visible indicators of risk. Common things that get flagged include missing or lifted shingles, uneven wear patterns, discoloration, algae growth, debris buildup, tree limbs overhanging the roof, or sag lines. The challenge is that drones don't understand context. A stain might be algae, not damage. A shadow may look like a missing shingle. Older imagery might be used to assess current condition. From the air, nuance disappears. And once something gets flagged, the burden often falls on the homeowner to prove otherwise. What happens next is where homeowners get hurt. Many people receive a letter saying they must repair or replace their roof within a set time frame or risk losing coverage. Some policies are non-renewed altogether. Others receive roof exclusions added, meaning future roof claims won't be covered. The most frustrating part is timing. Homeowners often find out late, sometimes 30 or 60 days before renewal, when contractors are booked and decisions are rushed. That pressure leads to expensive choices and unnecessary replacements. And in many cases, the roof itself was still functional. The reason this catches so many people off guard is simple. Most homeowners don't have regular roof inspections. There's an assumption that if there's no leak, everything is fine. And most importantly, there's usually no documentation. So when an insurer raises a concern, the homeowner has no baseline condition report, no photos, and no proof of ongoing maintenance. Without documentation, there's no leverage. At that point, the insurance company controls the narrative. This is exactly why we built our roof maintenance plan. It's not about upselling repairs. It's about protecting homeowners from some surprise insurance decisions. Our maintenance plan includes scheduled inspections, preventive repairs, debris and vegetation issues addressed early, and full photo documentation with date-stamped reports. And that documentation matters. It creates a paper trail that shows your roof has been inspected, maintained, and professionally evaluated. When insurers review your property, your roof doesn't look neglected or questionable. It looks managed. Small issues get corrected before they become visible from the air. And if an insurer raises a concern, you're not reacting under pressure, you're responding with proof. So here's the reality. If you own a home, you should assume your roof will be reviewed remotely at some point. The smart move is to get ahead of it. That means having your roof inspected before renewal, addressing small issues early, and maintaining documentation that protects you if questions come up. Now, waiting until you receive a letter from your insurer puts you in the worst possible position. So if you're a homeowner in the Triad, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point, or any of the surrounding areas, and you want to know where your roof stands before your insurer decides for you, reach out. We'll inspect it, document it, and help you make informed decisions instead of rushed ones. Being proactive today can save you thousands and a lot of stress later. So if you're ready to get that roof inspected, just give us a call at Camel City Roofing, and we'll be happy to take care of you.